Shenanigans. I'm Brian Malarkey, and this is Chef Carlos Anthony. Before we get started, I just wanted to take a moment to address the elephant in the room.
What elephant? What are we talking about here?
The fact that this show is hosted by two white guys. Okay? And just in case anyone watching at home thinks we're not diverse enough, Carlos's full name is Carlos Anthony San Martino Ochoa, and he is 100% Costa Rican.
I'm 50% Mexican.
Close enough. The point is, we're starting out with a little bit of diversity, and we'll add more as the show goes along. Think of us as the roux at the beginning of a gumbo.
What the hell are you even talking about?
Yeah. All right, Carlos, enough chit-chat. Let's get down to business. You know what bugs me the most about being a world-famous chef and restaurateur?
Yeah, probably.
No, don't worry, you wouldn't understand. What bugs me the most about being a world-famous chef and restaurateur is when a customer leaves a negative Yelp review.
Okay, yeah, that does really suck.
Yeah, I mean, we do all this work, they don't know how much sweat, blood, tears, energy goes into it.
And God forbid they just tell us at the restaurant. I mean, why do they go through all this trouble?
We'll fix it for you right there.
It really grinds my gears.
I think we can all agree that negative Yelp reviews are awful. Like, take this Yelp review of our restaurant Anime by John F. from Los Angeles, California. First time here, definitely the last time. I haven't had a meal experience this poorly executed in my life. It was like a teenager was let loose in the kitchen just throwing stuff together. The food from Panda Express is honestly better. I wouldn't come here again, even if someone paid for my dinner.
Whoa, this is outrageous.
Outrageous?
I mean, Panda Express is an institution. Here's another review, this one from Lindsay P. about our restaurant Herb and Wood. Wow, where to begin? Nice service and a cool spot, but the food was an absolute car crash. It definitely felt like they were serving me pre-made food from a box. The Baja shrimp tasted like it was from the freezer section in Target. I'm left with the impression that this is a money laundering front, and the staff are unknowing dupes.
Oh, you don't even know what money laundering is. He's so cute. I love him.
That one hurts.
I would imagine it does. They like the ambiance and they like the service. There's just one arrow and it's pointing right at you, Baja shrimp.
Target's got a great frozen food section.
That dish is 100% Carlos's dish. He has stood by it for years, man. This is my best dish. It's mine. The radicchio and the butter and all that stuff.
This one kind of hurts.
So anyway, our producers actually tracked down some of these Yelpers, and Carlos and I met up with them to see if we could get them to change their opinions in a segment we like to call Yelp Redemption. There he is. This is the guy right here.
Let's go.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, is your name Richard?
Yeah.
How you doing, man? We're on a new TV show with the Food Network.
Yeah, you Brian Malarkey?
Yes.
You know who I am, right?
No.
You're on a new segment of my new show, and it's kind of a Yelp Redemption thing, and you just recently wrote a review at Urban Wood, yes?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
And said the pasta maybe didn't have enough sauce.
Yeah, it was a little bit dry, maybe.
We're here to rectify that. We're gonna make everything better right now.
Really?
Yes!
That sounds great.
Right?
Yeah, sure.
You're
Why
in for
not?
that?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do
Yeah.
it!
Hello?
Hello, is your name Karen?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
Did you write a review about a busboy harassing your table by refilling your water?
I write a lot of reviews.
Oh, okay. Like he was trying to give you water,
Sure.
pour the water for you, and that's too much.
I mean, it can be too much.
Oh, really? Okay, your opinion must really be important.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's valuable information to give feedback.
Well, great reviewers like you, we want to make sure that your cup runneth over at Urban Wood. Carlos, fill the water glass! Yes! Yo, you gonna write some more bad Yelp reviews, huh, buddy boy? Huh? Let's see what it say. The food itself is not authentic, but rather an appropriation on Asian cuisine. Underwhelming flavor, least of all, no spice, kid. You don't know nothing about spice. You've never even been to my restaurant, have you?
Yeah, I have. It sucks.
Take that back.
No, you've never even won a food
competition.
Well, he kind of has a point.
Whose side do you want, man? Give me a chili.
Here you
Come
go.
on.
Spice? You like spice? You want the yeah? Is that spicy enough for you?
You know who I am now?
I don't know. I don't know your name. Tell me what your name is and I'll say it.
Is that spicy enough for you? Too hot? Yeah, that's what you want. Yeah! This is too hot. Get some more. We're gonna put you out now, buddy boy. We're gonna put you out.
Carlos, we're gonna need the belt.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna put it out now. Yeah! Why don't you run a review on that one? Come on, Carlos. Go write a good review. Get out of here, you little...
You're a fucking dead man, Malarkey.
What do you think, Carlos? You think we changed our opinions?
I think we're going to hell, man.
All right, everyone, that's it for this week's episode. We'll be back next week with even more kitchen shenanigans.
Brian Malarkey is one of the worst cooks in America. His food tastes just like his name.
Oh, okay, cool. That sounds awesome. Let's do it.
Let's do it!
Yeah. Fuck me! What the fuck? What is this?
Let's pull back. Let's get the big thing. Keep going. Show your face.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hold on, let's just do a couple here, guys. Awesome.
Good God. My heart's breaking.